This person's like festival ready. Neon green. She's also fucking vlogging. 去泰国之前要买的东西，买了防晒，买了刮胡刀，买了点化妆品，最主要是防晒，然后买了点面膜什么的。明天早上就要去泰国了，所以要做好准备。然后刚刚做好指甲，做这个美甲就超级美。I did not show you guys this stuff that I got on Fashion Nova, and I swear this will be the last time I'll do online shopping because the amount of stuff that I bought online is just, it's questionable. There goes my dog barking. Yay. I will be using lash glue because why not? Yeah. I got this really cute bucket hat. I know it's a really big festival thing to wear like leg wraps, and I've never had a leg wrap, so I thought, you know what, I want to buy some cute leg wraps and like wear it. And then this really cute dress that I'll definitely be wearing to the first day of Rolling Loud. We're at the airport because we're going to Rolling Loud Festival in Thailand. We're really excited for it. First, you know, we gotta get our priorities straight, and that's getting McDonald's. Yay! This person's like festival ready. Neon green. She's also fucking vlogging. Search and rescue. Not even like 8 a.m. still at the Hong Kong airport, and I feel like everyone is like festival ready. Actually kind of funny. Fuck. 啱啱到泰國機場，有啲我哋而家要去 arrivals, which is that way, immigration and arrival. We are at the, I can't pronounce it, Suvarnabhumi airport. Waiting to collect our luggage, and then we'll head over to Pattaya. We 到咗酒店啦！啊，好靚呢度！
哇，好啦嚇！
啊，好正！
好啦，好。With all the different rappers.
We're gonna go out for lunch first. Stop. We're gonna get back to the hotel, get ready, and then we're going to Rolling Loud Festival.
You know, Ice Age 嗰個咧，嗰個眼睛平嗰個。
Watch my boyfriend shade me, every single day. This is how he shades me,
Hi.
Dang dang, dang dang a no do.
He likes this.
It's a welcome drink. This lovely restaurant. Curry, shrimp pad thai. Look at that. That fresh shrimp pad thai.
Budweiser. Budweiser is the sponsor.
我覺得係咪呢度啊？哇！我覺得呢度好似翻咗去 LA 咯，呢個唔覺啊？我影咗你啦，啱啱。我整緊 compile 晒啲嘢，我整個 reel 咯。影乜你先？3-day GA rolling loud. Yeah, 入到去先啦，呢度仲有少少 risky。
但好過你冇壓爛嘅。
冇唔會。
It's a motherfucking ASAP first, yo. We about to go crazy. Let me see that energy. Come on. Let's go. Louder. I want to hear you say that shit louder.
Sucking on my dick right now. Press. Party don't need more press. Hit them up, put them hoes to rest. I was getting some head, getting some head. Ran down on the bitch, she almost pissed on her leg. Bitches think they fucking with me, must be sick in the head. Why don't you chill with the beat and get some chicken instead? One, two, three, let's go. Work that shit. Work that shit. Yes, don't like parts to stairs. 말했지 한국말 좀 제대로 약약해도 말하고 I see you looking at my feet I see 그게 땡겨 전화 땡겨봐도 기동 타지 Zoom in, zoom out Press up, zoom in, zoom out Okay, zoom in, zoom out Okay, baby 확하게 확대 확실하게 I feel like a million bucks 꿈꾸까 Thank you guys.
Rolling! If you're ready to see the baby, say hell yeah! Hell yeah! If you're ready to see the baby, say yes, sir! Yes, sir! 2, 1, 2, 3. Let's go! What we do? Right side!
That ain't the baby, that's my baby.
If you ready to write to this bitch, say yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So chant, baby. In the back. Let's see what y'all know about this. She. Thailand, open the fuck up. Light man, light the crowd for me. Open that bitch up. They don't hold that nice shit. They only come to it like this.
I'm one of the greatest, ain't no debate on it. I'm still levitated, I'm heavily medicated.
Holy shit, I got a kid. Oh, I can sing so well. Wonder if I can say the N-word. What can I really say the N-word? What up, my nigga? What up, my nigga? Big ups, my nigga. We are my nigga. You pussy ass nigga. Man, fuck y'all niggas. Cause I'm that nigga, 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 nigga.
She was wasting, all that just falling to me.
You not ready?
How can I be homophobic? My bitch is gay.
Alright, let me hear you, look.
How can I be homophobic? My bitch is gay.
Even I'm hugging my brothers, I say that, but I don't.
Like that way.
Them and them, the trap still running on Christmas. Somebody told. Down in my great tracks, you see the body and that, see the motion clap when you're throwing it back. These females planning on doing me wrong, so I'm grabbing them.
sport. Put that thing in sport. Skirt, skirt.